after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've had my shells and kicked in my breast like a blue. We are the champions, my friend, and we'll keep on fighting to the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers. We are the champions of the world. I've taken my vow and my curtain call. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all, but it's been a better road.